Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Very similar to yesterday's. But for today, the Tuesday, Thursday kids that are in class will be taking the test. The chapter 1 and 2 test right here. For you online people, the test is right here. It's already up. It's only scheduled to the online distance learners. So if you're just like a normal Monday, Wednesday person and you're at home, you won't even be able to see this. So don't sweat it. Remember Monday, Wednesday, enjoy your break. Nice job yesterday. So kind of relax today, get some missing work done. For the Tuesday, Thursday people, you'll be taking it in class today, so no worries about that. For you distance learners and you temporary distance learners, test on here today. Now here's some things though. Some of you people are quarantining via close contact, but either you haven't told the school or the school has not updated your status to either a distance learner or a temporary distance learner. So I do not know that you're going to be gone, if that makes sense. They don't really tell us too much about who's gone and what. So if you do not have that online symbol next to your name on my roster or my chart, I did not assign the test to you because I assume you are in person. Okay, so letting that be known right now. Some of you guys will probably get missing assignments on this, and it's not your fault. It's not my fault. It's just a school lagging behind letting us know. So after today, if you have not taken the test, so at 3 o'clock today, if you haven't taken the test, I'm going to put in a missing. It's okay if you didn't take it. If there's a miscommunication or if the school hasn't updated yet, if you're one of those people, just email me and say, hey, I haven't taken the test yet, and we'll figure out what to do on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, so just keep a lookout for that. Just because you have a missing assignment on the test, we'll be able to fix it Wednesday or Thursday. All right, guys. That's it. If you have any questions, obviously email me. If you have any concerns, email me as well. But that's all I have, guys. Monday and Wednesday, people, have fun relaxing. Tuesdays, Thursday, people, I will see you in about an hour. See you guys.